Navigating through time. Mastering time prepositions in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our series on mastering English prepositions. Today, we're diving into a crucial subset of prepositions, time prepositions. These handy tools will help you accurately express when things happen. Stick around to improve your skills and expand your English language horizons. Time prepositions are words or phrases we use to link the timing of events or actions to the rest of the sentence. Common time prepositions include at, on, in, and others like during, before, after, until, and more. Let's explore how we can use these in various contexts. In English, at, on, and in are three very common prepositions we use to express time. At is used for precise times. For instance, I will meet you at 5 o'clock. On is used for specific days or dates. For example, my birthday is on the 18th of June. In is used for longer periods, such as months, years, seasons, or parts of the day. Like, I was born in 1980, or the flowers bloom in spring. There are other time prepositions we use to link events in time. Before and after help to express sequence. Before signifies something happened earlier than a point in time or event, and after signifies something happened later. For instance, I will have dinner before 8 p.m., or she arrived after the meeting started. During is used to say when something happens within a certain period. For instance, I read a book during the flight. Until or till are used to denote something continuing up to a certain time. For example, she will be at work until 6 p.m. Let's practice identifying these time prepositions in context. For instance, in the sentence, I will visit my family in December, but I must return before New Year's Eve. In and before are our time prepositions. As you encounter English texts, try identifying and understanding the use of time prepositions. Thank you for joining us in today's session on time prepositions. Understanding and correctly using these prepositions can make your English much clearer and more precise. Remember, practice is key. So keep reading, keep writing, and keep using those time prepositions. Until next time, happy learning!